everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Bentley's cooking show video and we are going to be making green bean casserole for Thanksgiving because today is Thanksgiving. So anyways, this is what you need. It's quick and easy because that's what I do, quick and easy. So what you need is 3 cans of green beans. So I have 3 cans of green beans and I've already drained them. You need a half a block of velvita, the original velvita cheese, a can of rotell, and 2 packs of these French fried onions. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So to start with, you drain all your beans and you pour them into a large mixing bowl. Like that. So get all those in there, and then you're going to take your half a block of velvita, which I've already got another half a block in here. Oh, I got a fuzzy in my mouth. And, oh, another thing you need is a can of cream of mushroom soup. Cream of mushroom soup. I forgot that. So you put your velvita in there and you pour your rotell on top of it. And something, because you're going to microwave this and melt this together. Okay, I'll melt this and I'll be back. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all melted. No more lumps in there of cheese. And then you add in your cream of mushroom soup to your cheese and rotell mixture. And you stir that in, get it all mixed in there. And it mixes pretty easily because it gets pretty hot while we're melting the cheese. Okay, I think that's all mixed in. So then we pour in 1 full bag of these French fried onions into our green beans. And then we pour this over the green beans. This stuff is the best too, just so you know. This is right up there with the peanut butter cheese. And then we grab a spoon and we stir all the beans and the cheesy mixture and the onions together. Just to get all the beans and the onions coated with the cheese and soup mixture. Oh, it looks so yummy. So then we grab our baking dish and we spray it with whatever you use to spray your stuff with. And we pour this into our sprayed baking dish. And we spread it all out. Make a nice flat surface. Then we add the other bag of onions, French fried onions, to the top. And I just kind of put the whole bag on there and then just push them around so that there is a nice crunchy layer on top. And that's it. Just put tin foil on it. and pop it in the oven, 350. And you just heat it till it's bubbly. And that usually takes about, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. It just depends on how hot your oven gets. Well, it's supposed to get to 350, but you just do it till it's bubbly, and then you take the top off, the foil off, and you put it back in for about 10 minutes to let those onions on top get crispy again. And that is it. So I will put these in the oven, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, guys, it is done. That is what it looks like when it's done. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm just gonna dish some up here so you guys can see it. Yummy. It was so good. It is so good. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish my Thanksgiving dinner and then I'm gonna eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. I know you can't make this for Thanksgiving, but you can make it for Christmas. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Stay cool.